Hi everybody, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I am Yuri. Today I will show you how to make Japanese souffle cheesecake. This wonderful souffle cheesecake I don't really see in this country, in the United States, and when I make this one and put on the my Facebook and Instagram, many people ask me the recipe. They want to have a recipe, so I decide to make a video, and here it is. You can learn how to make it.
You need parchment paper to do this, otherwise, when it's finished baking, the cake spread open. Put the paper higher than mold. Powdered sugar is also very important, otherwise, when it's finished, the cake spread open too. Now I'm making meringue. I'm using my hand and whisk from here. This way, near the glass, meringue is scooped up and become fluffy. I think it's done. Upside down bowl, meringue won't drop. This is the end. After take off from the oven, cake will shrink. I recommend you, when the cake is cooled down completely, then take off the papers.
It is very light and fluffy, and Japanese sweets are not really sweet compared to American sweets. So you may think that's not really sweet, but when I gave away this Japanese souffle cheesecake to my friends, they love it. So I think it should be good. And the key ingredients is the apricot jam. I hope you enjoy my video, and if you like my video, please thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel. It's very helpful. And this is Yuri, Japanese cooking lovers. Thanks for watching, and see you next time soon.